Kuiheire kieha ona kigagayo muno kaunti ya Murang'a nao ni thutha wa muini uigweta muno makiria uikaine ta Muite ka Wairimu na uria wamenyekire na rwimbo ruria ruikaine ni Gwithema gukorwo akiri na cira muhiu cira uria kurerikana nyaragikorirwa gikinyita ciana igiri kia Hinya uhoro uyu uria urekereirio ni mundu uikaine ta Derek Bogwa na uria ni blogger kugera rurenda-ini rwake rwa Facebook aikiruta ndomereri ino na kuri ugite the suspect was taken in Kandara Law Court today. He was arrested on Sunday 18th February 2024. Defilement suspect of a 9-year-old boy and a girl of 7 years. The kid was traumatized. I will not disclose more, but it's the truth. He was taken to court today, then back to station awaiting some missing documents on the case. Currently, he is at Githumu police station and will be produced again tomorrow in Kandara Law Court. I know your fellow celebs can't post this because they will say it's enemies at work. Truth will remain truth even inside a toilet. Agikirikirina kuga hashtag stop covering up even those kids need justice following up. Mundu gwitwo Derek Bogwa agikiuga ati Muite ka Wairimu agikorirwo agikinyita kia Hinya kana ka miaka kenda karia ni kahi na kairetu ka miaka 70 ukirikana ati muthenya wa kiumia ni agikorirwo agikinyitwo na kuria muthenya wa umuthi agikorwo agitwarwo igoti-ini kuria guo mwena wa Kandara county ya Murang'a na thutha ucio Bogwa arumiriria na ndomereri ingi ya gukiuga ati when a child says alingizwa vidole nyuma, to some people you think it's a joke or funny. The boy child is now on pampers anajiendea choo uncontrollably na gwikira emoji cia kiriro agikiuga ati ciro yo ni uragithie na mbere na ukorwo ugikirumirirwo na gikiuga ati na fellow celebrity matigikorwo magikiaria ndumiriri no kuona Muite ka Wairimu riria agikorirwo agikimenyeka ni agikorirwo akinyitirirwo muno makiria na agikimenyeka agikoretwo agikitwo interview ni mundu ikeneta amuthe ndegenye na thutha ucio agigicokera agigiakirwo nyumba thaka muno kurio guo kwao kia Matheri county ya Murang'a na iria yagicokire gukorwo igikihingurwo ni mundu gwetwo muthe ndegenye na MC Karangu wa Muraya andu magigithie na mbere na gukirigwo hihi kana ndumiriri ni ama ende ni kurathi na mbere na gukorwo gikirumanirwo na cira uyu andu magikiuga ni wega ndeto ino igikorwo ikimenyeka kuona cira wa gukorwo ukikidefile kana gukorwo kinyita ciana cia ukorwo wa thwa miaka 18 kia Hinya nicio ni undu muru muno makiria na mwirori wa Gikuyu Forever Media ngoririkane ni nguthi na mbere na kumenyithia mangi maingi maria marathi na mbere na kuhanika na muno makiria kuma guku guo nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ni njitagwo Nyarari ya Murang'a ni ngatho.